Welcome to the analysis world. In this video, I will show you how to calculate the LD50 and IC50 in Excel. Note that both the LD50 and IC50 is calculated using linear regression method, and the regression equation is used for calculating LD50 and IC50. At first, I will show you how to calculate the LD50 using this method, and later on I will also show you how to calculate the IC50 by using this method as well. So at first you need to set up your data like this. I have a particular data set of a biological test with the mortality percentage as labeled as Y, which is dependent variable, and the concentration labeled as X, which is independent variable. And I will select this whole data set and click on insert, and from the charts I will select the scatter line chart. I will adjust this chart into the right side and click on the chart elements at the right side. From the chart elements, click the trend line, and from trend line select more options. From the more options, we will go to the linear option, trend line, and at below we will also check the display equation on chart and display R square value on chart. This will give us the regression equation and the goodness of fit, which is R square value of the regression in the chart. We will increase the font size for our convenience. So we have the regression equation here, and from this regression equation we will calculate the LD50. Note that the LD50 means that the Y should be 50 for which value of X. So we need to calculate the value of X when the value of Y is 50. In order to do it, we need to rearrange this equation to calculate or find out the X. So if we rearrange this equation here, let us first rearrange the equation. So X would be equal Y minus 20.895 based on this equation here, linear regression equation, divided by the coefficient of X. So our coefficient of X is 0.1724, and now we will input this equation in our Excel cell as a formula. So our formula would be, since the value of Y is 50, we will give 50 minus 20.895 divided by the coefficient of X, which is 0.1724. So we get a value of 168.82 microgram per ml, since it is the X or the concentration. So it means that at 168.82 microgram per ml, the mortality rate would be 50%. So this is how we can calculate the LD50 in Excel. Now we will move on to IC50. So you can see that I have another biological test, and I have already set up the data and created the chart and also the equation at using the same method. And I have also rearranged the regression equation for calculating the X and input this equation as a formula in Excel cell and got the IC50 value. So this is how you can calculate both the LD50 and IC50 in Excel. I hope you have learned something new from this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.